Hello, everyone. I'm Bruce Yost. I have been the choral director here at HB Plant High School since 1995, and I'll leave you to do the math to figure out how many years that is, but I can tell you it's a lot, and I am happy to be here for one more. For the virtual open house, I have prepared a little PowerPoint for you, so if you give me just a second here, I'll get that going, and we'll move forward here. Welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. Glad that you're going to be with us in chorus, and I just wanted to take a moment to share with you a little bit about our curriculum. At the time of the making of this video, we don't know whether we're coming back in person, we're totally e-learning online, or some combination of the two. But the curriculum's not going to change. We're going to, regardless of the delivery mode, we're going to try and have these experiences for each student as a part of their chorus and music education. I look at our curriculum as something like an iceberg. We have these very public events, the performances and concerts that everybody sees, but it doesn't give you the full picture, and it doesn't represent what is beneath the surface that allows for those wonderful performances for which we're well known to take place. So this is the basis for the chorus curriculum. Musical literacy, vocal technique, and performance skills are the three pillars of the choral curriculum. As far as literacy goes, we teach students the symbols and terms of vocabulary that musicians use, sight singing practice and skills, of being able to convert notes on the page into sound, and then we apply these things to music. So there's a real world application in our rehearsals of the music with the vocabulary and the reading ability, music reading ability. Vocal technique, we teach a technique that is age appropriate, that is efficient, that is healthy, and will allow a singer to be able to sing beyond Plant High School as they go out into the world. We do this through vocalization, warm-ups each day, using the voice, addressing different aspects of technique. Also by providing vocal role models. So there are some listenings that we do to show age-appropriate tone. And then we apply these things again in the rehearsal. So there's a real world application that we make the music applying these things that we do regarding our vocal technique on a daily basis. And then of course, performance skills, those happen in rehearsal. We like to say that practice doesn't make perfect, but perfect practice makes perfect. And we strive for that in rehearsal. Listening, again, with role models, particularly with aspects of different styles of music, can be very, very helpful and efficient in communicating those things to students. And then the concert experiences themselves, the performances are something that cannot be, provide an experience that cannot be replicated in any other way, and they are life-changing and involve a lot of growth, so extremely important. Now, having said that, this piece is not, we haven't decided exactly what that may look like. That's anybody's guess for this year. But we do want to prepare ourselves for the eventuality that we will be back on a stage performing for an audience, and that we are going to put all of these things into practice for those wonderful performances in the near future when it is safe to do so. There are some online resources, whether we are in person or e-learning. We are going to continue using these. Note, Flight, Learn, and Sight Reading Factory will be familiar to some students who were with us last year when we went to e-learning, but we're going to continue to use those to enhance instruction. Required materials for in-person learning, certainly a mask. We are looking into the option of possibly adding something in terms of a face shield, but we know that singing can be problematic for safety, and we want to make sure that our environment in the rehearsal space is as safe as it possibly can be. Students will also need a 1/2-inch 3-ring binder and a pencil to keep with them for every rehearsal. Regarding remote learning, every student's going to need an audio video recording device, a laptop, desktop computer, phone, tablet, something with a camera and a microphone, and then some headphones and earbuds. We are going to do our chorus parent orientation virtually this year. It's called Ready, Set, Sing. We do it every year. This is a time when parents can get informed about things that are going on in terms of activities and events for the year, be updated on policies, and we can have a chance to answer some questions if they come up about what it will mean for their child to be involved in the program this year. We're aiming for Tuesday, September 1st, 6 p.m., and we'll be doing that via Zoom, so look for some information coming at you regarding that meeting and how you can log into that and be a part of it. I know that this has been a very trying time. I know it has been for me and for my family, and I'm sure that I'm not alone in that. I'm particularly concerned about and very eager to get everybody back together and to make music like we like to do. I know that we're drawn to that for a reason, and it's something that has caused me some pain, just not being able to do the things that we would normally do. But I think if we can keep very hopeful and positive and look forward, we will come to a time when we can make music together again. We just ask everybody to hang in there, be flexible, be adaptable, and stay hopeful and positive through this experience. And we'll get through it together. If you need to contact me, email's probably best, or very soon via Canvas. That's our new EDSB. It's going to be a great tool, and it's a pretty steep learning curve for everybody on how to use it, but I think it's going to be very useful, and I think you'll see the value in it very soon. But either one of those ways is a good way to get in touch with me if you need anything at all. As we close out our virtual open house, those who wish to sing always find a song. And I put this slide up here for two reasons. One is to just remind students that are coming back again that if you want to do this, just to remember the reasons and the positive experiences that you've had in the past to keep you going, to get us to a place where we can have those experiences again when it's safe to do so. And also to remind anyone who may not be in a chorus class and might be viewing this, that all of our music classes are still open and that anybody can still enroll in them. There's a place for everybody here in the plant music department, whether it's chorus, band, orchestra, guitar, music theory, there's a place for everyone. And we would love to have you as a part of the big music department family. So reach out to me, your guidance counselor, if you're interested in doing so. And we'd love to have you as a part of our groups. Thank you for tuning in. I look forward to this year. Whatever it happens to be, we're going to make the most of it. And there will be a time that we will get back together and make wonderful music again. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you. I am here for you and can't wait to see you. Bye-bye.